Wingbits.ai is the smartest way to explore, monitor, and ask the sky. Ask it anything about what's happening in real time, or set up custom agents that can monitor the skies 24/7 for you. Tell it to track a specific aircraft, a whole geographic region, or even entire fleets. You get real-time alerts whenever activity is happening, straight to your inbox, Slack, messaging app, or even spreadsheet. Adjust the frequency by the minute, the hour, a daily summary, or weekly digest. Keep track of geopolitical signals. Monitor VIP planes. Find out what kind of helicopters are circling above. Or get notified about airport disruptions. Uncover patterns. Get instant insights. Skip hours of manual searching. See it live on the map. Replay history to give you the simple answers you need. Just chat with the sky.